Hi, I'm Mohammad Shakil Ahmed. I'm senior lecturer in UMPDAC University of Malaya, and I am leading hydrogen combustion research in University of Malaya. And we take the pride to pioneer hydrogen combustion research in all over Malaysia. I'm introducing Zephyron, which is a revolutionary hydrogen-based engine cleaning system which utilizes overdeveloped zero-gap membraneless alkaline electrolyzer technology. You simply inject hydrogen into the engine through air manifold and keep your car in idle conditions for 30 minutes to 1 hour. The internal carbon deposits of your engine will be gradually flushed out from your exhaust pipe. The operation of this machine is very simple. It consists of three main components: the water reservoir, the power supply, and the heart of the system, the electrolyzer over the MADE technology. You just have to switch on and then wait for 2-3 seconds to warm up the machine, and it will start producing hydrogen. From here you can see. The hydrogen is injected into the engine through air manifold, where it burns at high temperatures and clean the internal parts of the engine. It is plug and play, and you require only 30 minutes to 1 hour to remove carbon buildup. Zephyron is not just another product in the market. It is a strategic asset to realize the Malaysian deep decarbonization goals. It can reduce up to 20% of pollution in automotive sector. Imagine more than 30 million vehicles registered in Malaysia. How much tons of CO2 can be reduced if deployed nationwide? Zephyron technology is quite suitable for automotive service providers. We are collaborating with multiple investors and service providers in Malaysia and abroad to realize our goals towards a cleaner future. We recently won 2 silver medals at international competitions also. And in future, we would like to see ourselves as a competitive player in global hydrogen economy as electrolyzer manufacturers.